Will your home pass the test? Can you sell your home right now for top dollar? Or do you need to do a few things? Hi, I'm Jared Williams with Auction Plus Real Estate. Let's see if your home passes the sell it for top dollar test. All right, here we go. When you walk up to your home, does it have curb appeal? Fresh landscaping, nice flowers, plants, or trees? Does it have a clean entryway or a nice front door? First impressions will make or break you. Have you done the 3 Ds? Declutter, depersonalize, and deep clean. And I mean really deep clean. Baseboards, scuff marks, clean up the landscaping, change out light bulbs, and more. Is your lawn lavish and green or yellow and crispy? Yes, these things matter. Are the walls painted a neutral color? Have you patched holes, painted the front door, or trim? Do you have carpets that are clean? Or does the carpet look like a deer trail in the timber? If it does, that's not gonna cut it to get top dollar. Do you have updated flooring and countertops, or are the cabinets still the same as they were 15 years ago? You see, all of this matters, and this is a big one. Do you pass the smell test? Seriously, I'm sure you don't realize this, but most people have a smell to their home. Yeah, a smell. I know it sounds gross, but it's true. Listen, I love my pets, and in fact, we consider our dogs part of the family. But if I were to list my home, I'd have to get a carpet cleaner and Febreze like crazy, or even replace my carpet. And my kids? Yikes. I have 2 young boys, so I'm sure you can imagine what a mess they make. Now, I'm not telling you to evict your family, but you need to address these issues before you even consider showing your home. It'll make a big difference when you're stacked up against other properties for sale. Also, is your home partially staged or fully staged with modern furniture to ensure that it shows the best of its ability? Or is your furniture outdated and probably would look better at grandma's house? Hey, don't shoot me. I'm just the messenger, and I'm trying to help. So I challenge you. Ask yourself, on a scale to 1 to 10, are you ready to put your house on the market and sell for top dollar, or do you need to make a few changes? P.S. Most of us need to make some changes. I always joke with my wife and tell her that I'll finish all the projects by the time our house is for sale. Oh, and P.S.S., that last one, it's not good advice. She doesn't think it's funny. So if you're thinking about selling, how do you score? If you have questions about what you should do prior to selling, feel free to give us a call. As always, I'm Jared Williams with Auction Plus, and come see the plus side.